Hi, Asma. I am looking at Essay 3 and I see some plagiarism in yours. I saw this number here, which is high, so I clicked on it and then turn it in generates what's called an originality report. And it compares what you've turned into other published sources. And when I scroll down, I see some lines highlighted in pink, which indicates that those lines have been published in other sources before you included them in yours. If if there are quotation marks around the lines, like you see there are quotation marks here, you actually you don't have the closed quotation marks. It looks like you should have some closed quotation marks here, but that is a direct quotation. That's fine. But these are not quoted, these lines. So maybe they should be. Maybe they need to be quoted and you need a quote sandwich, etc. But I need you to fix that. Here too, I don't see any quotation marks. So let's see if there's any more. Yeah, that's it. So you can get some more information by clicking this icon over here and then clicking on the 13. And you see that the lines that you have in your essay are matched to this source here. In any case, what I need you to do is I need you to figure out what's going on here. If those lines need to be put in quotation marks and cited or put in your own words. I mean, the bottom line is you can't take words from someone else, words or ideas. You need to give them credit. And so whether you do that by using quotation marks in an in-text citation or a paraphrase in an in-text citation is up to you, but that has to be done before I can grade it.